In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start by opening a new project. And once you have your blank design, click on the rectangle tool in the left navigation, double click on the color palette and go and select the color that you want to use for your heart. I'm just going to select this red color and press OK. Now with the rectangle tool selected, left click somewhere on the page and then type in 300 by 300 and press OK. Now click on View in the top navigation, scroll all the way down and make sure you have Smart Guides checked and turned on. Now move your mouse cursor to the edge of the square so you can see this rotate icon, and now while holding down the shift key, we need to rotate this 45 degrees. Once you've rotated it 45 degrees, you can then release your mouse button. Now you can use the selection tool to reposition this on the page, then click on the pen icon, and while holding down the Alt key, you need to select the path on the top edge like so, and then just start dragging this out. Now, while still holding down the Alt key, you're going to also hold down the Shift key, and then as you can see, this is going to round off the sides like so. So you can just drag this out to where you want your heart shape to be, and then you can let go on the mouse. Then we also need to do the same for the other side as well. So once again, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and you're just going to drag out this path. When you've started to drag this out, then hold down the Shift key at the same time to round off the edges. And what you can do is use the Smart Guides to place your second side of the heart against this top straight line at the top like so, and then you can go and release your mouse, and just like that we have now created the perfect heart. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.